What's going on YouTube? It's your boy John B. Come back to you guys with a brand new haircut tutorial. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button down below to get notified every time I upload a video. So here I'm doing a number 4 on top with a medium high bald fade. So I take down the top with a number 4 guard. I'm using a Wahl Magic clipper now. I just got a different cover on. Then I'm gonna hit it with the Babyliss Fx trimmer, making my first guideline. So in this video, I'm gonna be fading the way I usually fade. So I first knock down all this hair, and then I go with the Babyliss shaver to get it down to real skin. Now that I know that I have a clean base, I'm hitting it with a number 1.5 with the clipper blade all the way open. It's pretty much like a number 2, but I just went 1.5. Then I hit it with my trimmers just to give it like a pre-line up. So the reason I go with like a number 2 is because that's how I know how short I want my fade to be at the top. Then I'm hitting it with the clipper open, and this is gonna be your first guideline, and you're gonna blend that out. So first I'm gonna go with the shaver though. Get the hair down all the way to skin, and then you use your clipper halfway open and open to eliminate that first guideline. But be sure not to go too high because you're gonna just raise that guideline. You see how that guideline is slowly disappearing? You see me opening and closing the clipper. You have to use your corners and remember not to dig too much. Then I run it over with the Babyliss shaver just to like blend it out a little bit more, just to get that little stubble. Then from there, I'm gonna go with the number 1 open and I blend downwards. So I start from the top and I blend down. So the lower I go on the fade, I close the clipper. So you see me gradually closing it little by little. And then I snap on the half clip and do the same exact thing. And I like fading this way because it's pretty fun and you get to see your fade come out. Now I'm just using clip over comb to get any of the straggler hairs and like blend it up to the top. As you can see, we're almost done with this side, and for this haircut it's pretty easy because you already know what you're having on top. And I've been cutting this dude's hair for like 7-8 years, so I ain't really worried. And then I go with my slim lines. These are actually my hitters. These hit like more than anything that I have, so you'll see the final product and you'll see they hit. I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side, but I think I do something different on this side, but pretty much the same result. That's the thing about barbering. You can have fun, you can mix up your steps as long as it comes out the same. So for this part, so for this side, I actually don't bald out the bottom till the very end. That's another good like technique you can use if you're scared to use a shaver and you don't want to go too high. Just use the shaver at the end, and then that way you'll know like, okay, not to go too high. So hitting the lineup now. I usually do a pre-lineup like I said, but when it's time to line it up for the final time, I like to take my time and comb the hair down, make sure everything's in place. I use 2 trimmers here just because I want both of them to catch all the hair. I don't really need to do that, but I just do it because I like how it comes out after. Then I'm gonna hit it with my razor. Remember to pull the skin, and sometimes you can use water on their hair just to like let it be easier for the blade to slide. But like I said, I've been cutting this guy's hair for years, so I know his hair or his skin won't get irritated by it. And once you're done with all that, be sure to brush the hair down just so you can get any stranded hair like I'm doing right here, just so you know it'll last longer. So I just want to update you guys. I'm planning to upload a video at least once a week, but on my Instagram, that's on the bottom left corner, I'm going to be releasing like short videos almost every day, hopefully. Not really full tutorials, but just clips of haircuts that I do. So if you guys want to watch that, just follow me on my Instagram. So that's basically what I'm doing with this haircut. I'm pretty much done. I just got to razor it. So stay tuned for the final result, and please subscribe to me and join the journey that I'm on. It's your boy John B, and I'm out.